Welcome to System Software Assignment 2. So for this project we have to create a server socket program to run on the main server. We have to make a client program to connect to the server socket program. The system must be capable of handling multiple clients and transfers simultaneously, and the transfer restrictions should be controlled using real-time and effective IDs. So we have created 3 accounts here. If you go in server.c, if we scroll up, we can see I created 3 accounts: admin1, admin2, admin3, with the normal password of 123. So in the server.ci, I create a server, start with the normal. I make a user with a port and buffer, and also I put all the transfers into the .log file. So if I go down, it's thread function to handle the client request. So whenever we run our client, it's gonna connect to the server, and everything we're gonna see if it's authenticated or if it's not. So this is the server file. In the client.c file, we have our TCP sockets, and it's gonna configure the server settings. When we're gonna run the server, it's gonna get that, and we're gonna enter the username and the password, and it's gonna transfer the file. So for the context, I've made these test files, test 1, 2, and 3 files. So just to be texting when it's gonna transfer. So that's one. So here you can see we can run the make command. It's gonna compile all at once. Build it up. Now the sudo command, we're gonna run the server file. So first the server is gonna start. So it's waiting for an incoming connection. So from here we can just run our client and the password of my Ubuntu, and it says sudo is connected to the server. It's fine. So now I'll log in with one of the user with admin1 with the password 1, and if you see up here, user admin1 has been authenticated successfully. That means it's good. Now for the testing purpose, for the transfer, I'll just test 1.txt. I will transfer this file into the manufacturing. Done. If you see over here, if you see the changes in the manufacturing, I have now test 1.txt. Hi, this is testing file 1, and in the transfer.log, it's gonna take the exact time. This is the time I'm doing the testing right now, and admin1 have transferred this file. So same, I'm gonna run this client again. This time I'll log in from admin2. This time I have my password with me, and the file I'm going to transfer is to the distribution this time. Distribution. And yes, if you see, the files has been transferred to distribution. That means it's done. Now let me run it again for the third user. So it's admin 3, password 3, the test 3.txt. Let's send it to the distribution again, and it's the segmentation fault, but it's done because the test.txt was meant to be failed, and it's failed. It's failed. So if we go here, if we do it again, if we run the server, that means the connection is failed. So we have the error check over here. The socket is created, but the connection got failed. If we run the server again, and now if we see over here, so the server has been connected again. So that means we can easily log in with the admin and the password. And now we can again file the txt, and see over here in the manufacturing, I have my test.txt. So this is how it was done. And if I make any file which is not in my server for the testing file, it will give me an error. So for example, if I log in as admin1, password 1, if I put text5.txt, which I don't have created, but it's still gonna make, but it will not say, it will fail to open because there is no such file directory, because I had made text test 5, but it's gonna make it, but it's gonna be empty. So that's how it is. That is the system software assignment.